Our speaker for tonight hails from the city of Parañaque. He is currently the president of PAL Maritime Corporation, and during his career in the ship manning industry, he was awarded by Marino World as the most outstanding young maritime leader. He is a member of JCI Parañaque Pambato since 2005 and was their president in 2012. He was the most outstanding national president in 2020, giving pride to JCI Philippines during the year of uncertainty. In 2022 to 2023, he was the Asia Pacific Development Council Counselor assigned to Timor-Leste, and currently JCI Philippines Pride because he is serving as the 2024 Junior Chamber International Vice President for Asia Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, to give his inspirational message, let us all welcome VP Mark Joseph David.
Yes, please sit down. Thank you very much. Allow me to acknowledge some important people here tonight. Of course, our National President, Attorney Mac Kinaleta. Magandang gabi, NP. Also, our inspirational, very inspiring past World President, WP Crispin. Thank you for sharing with us that story. To all members of the National Board, to all former members of the National Board in attendance, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. To all Sambisig President, with all protocols observed, allow me to greet each and every one of you a beautiful evening. But before I begin, allow me also to congratulate my good friend, Dr. Lawrence Litan, for getting awarded as a senator this year. May it serve as an inspiration to all JCI Makati members to strive not just to be a regular member, but to strive for greatness. Because the title of my message tonight for JCI Makati is Greatness. William Hazlitt said, "No man is truly great who is great only in his lifetime. The test of greatness is the page of history." So just perfect as we are celebrating 60 years of JCI Makati. As we celebrate another year of active citizenship, of leadership, of positive impact, let us also remember the rich history of your chapter. From the pages of each year, you will see stories of incredible sacrifices, volunteerism, service, and leadership. May these stories guide you to be better and stronger moving forward. And I wanted to share that phrase, mainly because JCI Makati has a very close relationship to me. I've been a member for so long, since 2005, and I've met different groups of leaders in JCI Makati. Ngayon, yan, sila Joey, sila Lance, sila Kurt, of course, si JM. But I also have friends from when I was regional vice president. Yung board ko during that time was also mostly coming from JCI Makati. From Hubert, who was my 2013 president. Tama ba? 13 ba si Hubert? Tama ba? 13 ba si Hubert? 2013? Tama, di ba? Oo. So very close. And also one of my mentors in Rotary who really pushed me to where I am was your past President Robert Kwan, who was a past governor of our district in Rotary. So very close to my heart is your local chapter. What you did in the past should help you reach greatness. It should inspire you to do more and reach for the stars, to be better than your predecessors, and to be able to build a future of growth, excellence, and continued significance. That is a challenge for you, Pres JM. To outshine your previous leaders, to outshine people like Crispin D, to outshine people like Robert Kwan, to outshine people like Lance Tan, to outshine people like Siyempre, kailangan banggitin si Joey, nag-raise ng hand. Joey Garcia, Jerry Sevilla, di ba? Lear, of course. Di ba? Let this be a challenge for you. Remember that greatness is not a destination, but a road that each one of you must build and responsible for. You should be able to maintain it, nurture it, and learn from it, and improve on it. That is your responsibility. The members of JCI Makati today, that is your responsibility to be able to maintain, nurture, learn, and improve what your predecessors has done for your local organization. In the words of Lewis House, greatness is a lot of small things done well every day. Always remember that. Life as a JCI member will never always be easy. We have a responsibility to build a better future for all of us, to train leaders to be better leaders, and to find sustainable to an ever-changing world. Our actions now will have far-reaching effects. Just like when you throw a stone in the water, you see the ripples, and it spreads farther than you would expect. What we do here matters, ladies and gentlemen. From the trainings that we do to the projects that we implement, it's just simple science. Newton's third law of motion states, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So never, ever underestimate the things that we do in JCI. No matter how small it is, because that small action from each one of us will have an impact somewhere in the future. Remember when Neil Armstrong made his first step to the moon, he said, one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Your actions now may be a giant leap for our organization, not just for JCI Makati, but for our organization. You will never know until you are there, and you will never know unless you try. So to Press JM and to your 2024 Board of Directors, work together and build towards greatness. Our congratulations for taking the challenge this year. And I am confident that with your actions this year, you will have a far-reaching effect, not just in our organization, but also to the communities that you serve. Your year may not be as you have planned. It will never be. We will always have challenges and obstacles. You may plan the best year for your year, but it will always never be as what you planned. Always remember that. So you should take your heart for service and leadership. Always be guided with the words of Dennis Waitley that there are two primary choices in life. Always remember, when what you have planned does not go to how you want it to be, always remember these words. There are two primary choices in life. To accept the conditions as they exist, or accept the responsibility for changing them. So very sakto siya with your team this year. Ano yung team mo? Drive for change. Remember that 1,000 disappointments in the past cannot equal the power of one positive action. Continue to strive. Continue to care. Continue to be part of the solution. The simplest act of one can change the world. So 60 years of leadership and positive change is a feat. Not every chapter that was chartered 60 years ago has the honor to celebrate. As you celebrate your 60th year in the JCI movement, people mostly only see your victories. What they don't always get to see, however, are the blood, sweat, and the tears that were shed by the members of JCI Makati to reach where you are today. But also, for your members who are not here to celebrate with you, to your members who have passed, you honor this celebration of 60 years of positive change to them as well. I submit, however, that in our JCI career, in our JCI life, the real victory is creating immeasurable development and positive change in our communities. Developing a new generation of leaders and building lasting friendships to achieve that victory, to achieve what you have achieved, entails sacrifice, commitment, and lastly, humility. So together, as one JCI organization, let us work together to build a culture of winning together, to put into our hearts the call to actions of JCI Philippines this year, and that is to lead, to serve. So as we strive to better ourselves, let us remember this phrase, favorite ni Joey to, good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. It doesn't stop there though. As young leaders for positive change, we make a conscious choice each and every day to be the difference and make a difference. We must end each day better than when it started. Mabuhay po ang JCI Makati, mabuhay kayo Press JM, mabuhay po ang buong metro area at ang buong JCI Philippines. Maraming salamat po.